Hi everybody, it's Hey Jon. What's up? We are on another live stream today. My God, is it a beautiful day or what? Holy cow. How's everyone doing? It's a beautiful day. What is good? What is good in the hood? What's up everybody? What's up? What's up? Good morning, good afternoon. Wherever you are from, good morning, good afternoon. What's up? What's up? Welcome one, welcome all. Welcome one, welcome all. Yes, sir. We are going to the moon. That is for sure. That is for sure. For sure, folks. We are going to the moon. No doubt whatsoever. All right. Your boy is back. Your boy is back. Privet. Hello. Hola. ¿Cómo estás? What's up? What's up? Okay. Eating some of my spaghetti, huh? Eating some of that spaghetti. Yum, yum, yum. Sounds pretty good. Holy moly. Okay. We are going to the moon, baby. I'm good. I am good. How is everyone doing today? How is everyone doing today? Let me know. Let me know in chat. How are you doing? Today's a beautiful, beautiful day. We are in the Dogecoin moon. Okay? The Dogecoin moon. Does it get any better? I don't know. I do not know. All right. Well, I'm glad that you guys like it when I'm on, you know. I'm glad you like that. I'm good. I'm glad you guys are all good, you know. Last night we had a long stream, so as you know, it was definitely a long stream yesterday, so we had fun yesterday, right? We had fun. We saw yesterday all-time high after all-time high. Whoa. Just craziness, right? Yesterday, just craziness. Sometimes I can't believe there's even Dogecoin anymore. Sometimes I just can't believe it. It always amazes me how bullish Dogecoin is, honestly. It always, you know, astonishes me how bullish Dogecoin can be. Just phenomenal. Just simply phenomenal, man. Haha, 75 cents? You know what? I say 75 cents is very, very possible. I say 75 cents is very, very possible. You guys are being dirty. You guys are being dirty, huh? Hey, John, do you think we get 56K like Bitcoin? No, I do not. I do not think we will see 50. I do not think we're going to see 56K Dogecoin. That is not humanly possible, okay? Elmer Fuds like the dirty. Well, you know what? It could happen, but I would say, as of right now, not very likely. But you know what? We live in amazing time, and anything is possible, man. Anything is possible nowadays. ETC? You mean Ethereum Classic? I don't know. Let me see. I don't know. Ethereum Classic. Let's see. Let's see, Ethereum Classic. Let's see what they're doing. I'm not too sure. Let me check though. Let me check. Ethereum Classic. Wow. Okay. I could have sworn it was on the low before, but my guy went to the moon. Okay, let's see here. Ethereum Classic. Wow.
On-demand home tours from Redfin.
Wow.
Real estate done right.
Wow.
Tour subject to
Ethereum Classic has, let's see.
Number 0152193.
Let's see here. Ethereum Classic has 5x, okay? Ethereum Classic has 5x from about in 13 days. Ethereum Classic 5x, right? And currently it's holding about 200 and it's holding about 250. It's holding 267% gains right now. So it lost half its gains already. So ETC is still pretty bullish, but we're seeing a huge sell-off. A huge sell-off. For ETC, honestly, I wouldn't be touching ETC right now though. If it was me, I wouldn't be touching it right now because it's too hot. ETC is too hot right now, you know what I mean? Too hot. Too hot. For me, I wouldn't be touching it right now. I mean, if I see a dip in the future, maybe, but right now, it's too hot though. I don't think it, right now. I do not think it's worth it right now. But you know, let's see what we got here. Okay, let's see. But ETC long term is pretty bullish though. Pretty bullish though. So for ETC, I personally wouldn't touch it right now. It's too hot. It's too hot, man. You have to wait for it to settle down a little bit. But. If you were to play ETC, what you want to do is buy the dip and sell the rip, okay? Because the current trend is to the upside. So that's how I'll play ETC. What's up, Pete? What's up, Pete? What's up, RP? How you doing? How you doing? By the way, if you want me to go over a ticker or something, you have to give me the ticker name as well. All right, you have to give me you have to give me the ticker and the name. If I don't see both, I don't cover it. Okay, remember the ticker name and the name itself. Okay. Let's see here. What's up, guys? What's up, guys? How you doing? How are you doing? All right, let's go back. Let's go back to our beloved Dogecoin. Let's go back to our beloved Dogecoin. Okay, I'm seeing Bitcoin Cash here. Let's see what is Bitcoin Cash doing. I don't know. Let's see here. Bitcoin Cash is extremely bullish. What the? Bitcoin Cash is extremely bullish right now. Extremely bullish. They are in an amazing uptrend now. Amazing uptrend. No, let me change that. Yep. BCH is extremely bullish though, but I would be careful though. I would be careful because you're seeing lots of buys here, and that is phenomenal. But at the same token, you should be scared though at the same time, okay? Because usually when you have a nice super duper ascending, when you see an ascending trend like this, sometimes it can pull back and dip down really hard too. So I would say be a little careful. Be a little careful, okay? So I would say for you guys, if you're trading on BCH, it's extremely bullish, but be careful though, okay? If I was trading BCH right now, I would look into taking some profits right now. If it was me personally speaking, that's what I would do, because you know, you want to sell into strength, okay? You want to sell into strength right now, okay? And there's plenty of strength. So that's what I would be doing. So just sharing with you what I do for BCH, okay? All right, let's go back to our beloved Dogecoin. Okay, let's see now. Let's see, what is our beloved Dogecoin doing right now? What is our beloved Dogecoin doing? Let's see. Let's see. I'm not sure, and I gotta look into it right now. I'm not too sure. Let me look. Give me a few minutes. Let's see, Dogecoin right now. Right now, let's see, what is it doing? Okay, so for Dogecoin, we're seeing one third of the amount of velocity to the upside. So we're seeing it. So right now we are seeing a slowdown on the daily time frame. Okay, we are seeing a slowdown, but it's still very bullish though. Okay, again, Dogecoin on daily is still very bullish, but it is slowing down though. Okay, this tells me the bulls are taking a little break here. All right, and they're slowing down their momentum. And you know what? As they should, right? As they should, because Dogecoin is up about 77%, 78% in about 3 days, okay? Dogecoin is up 78% in 3 days, about 30.51 cents there. So you know what? If Dogecoin decides to take a little break, you know what? It's a break well deserved, okay? So I've been telling you guys and girls here, you know what? If you're making insane profits right now, there is no shame in taking profits, okay? You know, a key part of trading or a key part of investing, whatever you want to call it here, is knowing when to capture some of your profits, okay? I'm not saying to sell everything, you know? Maybe take 10%, maybe take 10% off the table, maybe 20%, right? I don't know. Whatever you feel comfortable, taking off the table for profits, all right? Again, I'm not telling you to do it, but you know, I'm just letting you know. A key proponent of trading or investing here is knowing when to take profits, all right? But if you're like me, all right, I'm just crazy, okay? This is my fun money. For me with my fun money, it's either moon or bust. Moon or bust, okay? Again though, I'm different though. This is my fun money. This isn't my rent money. This is my food money. This isn't my serious money. This is my fun money. So for me, for me with my fun money, I can go either moon or bust, because for me it does not matter what happens to this money here. So therefore, I can be more risky with my fun money. But again, I just want to make sure I explain to you guys what I'm doing here, and it can be different from you. Okay. So again, daily is pretty bullish right now, right? We're seeing a divergence here in a 5200, very good. Let's see, what is the 4 minute, let's see what the 4 hour time is showing us. What is the 4 hour showing us? Let's see. Let's see here. On the 4 hour, let's see. Okay. So on the 4 hour time from here, on the 4 hour time frame, we're seeing a decrease in the velocity, which tells me we are seeing some slight hesitation on the bulls, and we're trending down now. But you know what? That is to be expected, okay? Because again, we have went up 70% in 3 days. Phenomenal gains. And as you know, when you see 78% in 3 days, you best believe people are taking their profits. All right. So currently the trend is still your friend, but on a short term, we're seeing but on a short term though, we're seeing some indecision now. On a short term, we are seeing indecision. Okay. Long term, still very bullish though. So to me, in a short term, we may see a pullback. All right. We may see a pullback just like earlier today right here, right? When it went down to about let's see. When it went down to 52 cents there this morning, all right? So you will see pullbacks, and when you see pullbacks, it's totally normal because as you know, when you go to all-time highs and you see gains after gains non-stop all day, every day, people are gonna take their profits. It's very natural, very healthy. I even tell you guys in this room here, in this channel, to take profits as well if you want to. So just something to be aware about, you know what I mean? Just something to be aware about. So just be careful too, okay, folks? Don't be too greedy, okay? Do not be too greedy. All right, but again, my strategy can be different from your strategy. There are all kinds of strategies, and you have to determine what is good for you. Okay. So I just want to make sure I'm transparent when I tell you guys what I'm doing and what is different from you guys. Okay, everyone is different, so. Just because I do it does not mean you should be doing it. All right, and I give you my rationale as well. So let's see on the 1 hour time frame. Let's see. That's okay. That's okay. Again, if you guys are all or nothing as well, that's okay. There is no problem with being an all or nothing person. I'm the same way. But you know, but I do have to say to people in here, you know, who are not all or nothing, right? Because they may be playing with their rent money or their food money. So I have to be more safe and more cautious and give the different strategies out there so you can trade according to your situation. Let's see here. Okay, on the hourly here, we're seeing a short-term pullback on the hourly, but we're still very bullish on our short-term though. So we still have room to run. Okay, right now what I'm seeing here is a pullback. I am seeing a pullback. And even though we're pulling back, I am seeing inklings of the bulls waking up and trying to take it back right now. They are trying to take it back, but let's see if they are successful. Let's see if they are successful though. Right now it's looking pretty good though. Right now looking pretty good because I'm seeing some momentum. Okay, I am seeing some of that momentum. So looking pretty good in my opinion. Looking pretty good. However, we are seeing tons and tons of resistance. All right. The resistance is going to be around 67, tons and tons of resistance, okay? So from 6561 all the way up to 6767, you are seeing just a ton of selling right there. So to me right there, that is where that is where the bulls are doing some profit taking. And that's okay. It's okay to take profits. I keep on telling you guys, it's okay to take profits. Sergey Davtyan. My barber Oscar put 50K in Doge. He has no debt. Okay. All right, your barber sounds pretty cool, man. Good job for Oscar, man. Migna Mula. That's cool. That's cool. Let's see here. So let's see. What's we see here? Let's see. On the 1 hour still on the 1 hour long-term bullish, short-term still bullish, but we're seeing some inklings of the bulls trying to take out the trend. So, oh, KFC Canada. Okay, you know what? Let me go ahead and pull up for you guys in case no one saw before. In case no one saw that, I saw before, but let me show everyone here in case they didn't see it though. Okay, is KFC Canada really accepting Dogecoin payments here? KFC Canada claims to accept Dogecoin, but there is no apparent way to pay with a coin. I believe a few years back, KFC also said they're taking Bitcoin as well, but I don't think that ever came to light either. But you know, it's one of those things, man. One of those things. Let's see, key takeaways. Earlier today, KFC Canada claimed via its Twitter account that it is accepting Dogecoin as a means of payment. However, the company's website does not show any cryptocurrency payment options. It is possible that the statement was a tongue-in-cheek joke made in light of the recent Dogecoin craze. You know what, people, ladies and gentlemen, people are taking advantage of the Dogecoin. People are taking advantage of the Dogecoin marketing machine. And you know what? As they should, because Dogecoin, the more and more we see media coverage, the more and more Dogecoin is going to go to the moon, okay? Let's go check here. Let's go check here. Dev11, brother, let's smash it. Brother, let's smash the like button, y'all. Time is money, and money is Doge. Let's go. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Sergey Davtyan. My brother Oscar borrowed 10K from me last year and sold his 1 Bitcoin. That's how he put his 50K in Doge. He can pay me back. LAMAO. I'm pretty sure he can pay you back, man. I am pretty sure he can pay you back. I am pretty sure, man. Let's see here. Let's see what time. Let's see what time the KFC Canada post their thing about Dogecoin. No, I don't see it though. Where is it at? Oh, you know what? I don't see. Maybe it's in KFC America, huh? Let's see. Maybe it's here. Nope. Okay. Well, I don't see it on Twitter, so whatever. Whatever. Let's see here. So, let's see. What are you guys saying here? Let's see. What are you guys saying here? Let's see here. KFC Canada. Sorry, guys. We got a little excited there. We don't actually accept Dogecoin, but it's on our bucket list. Hey, at Pirate Pete. At Pirate Pete. Do you know what time? Do you know what time that that Twitter was done? Do you know what time it was? What time? Right on, right on. Right on, man. Right on. Alright. Do you guys know what time KFC actually tweeted up? Do you know what time? I'm just curious to see what time it was, to see if there's a correlation with Dogecoin, to see if they actually brought up the Dogecoin, you know? Okay, let's go ahead and see. I'm seeing some requests for XLM. Let's see what XLM is doing here. XLM. Let's see what is XLM doing here. Seeing a few requests. Let me go and do it real quick. XLM is extremely bullish, okay? XLM is extremely bullish right now. Very, very bullish. But I would be careful though. With XLM, the play would be to start taking your profits right now. If you are an XLM, I would say right now is a time to take profits, okay? Because anywhere from 6554 to about 68888 is gonna be a resistance zone, okay? So for me, XLM right now, I would look into taking some profits. It was me though, but of course everyone's different. You can do whatever you want. I'm just sharing with you guys what I would do. And for XLM, the play for this is buy dip and sell rip because the trend is your friend, and currently it is definitely mooning, okay? Definitely to the upside. So XLM is extremely bullish, okay? Extremely bullish. The trade for that is buy dips and sell rips. Let's go back to our beloved Dogecoin now. Let's go back to our beloved Dogecoin and see what that is doing. Okay, no worry guys. I cover whatever, you know. I cover whatever you guys want, you know what I mean? It's all good. It's all good. Hopefully, you guys get some insight from it and you can, you know, get some trades off it. But the thing is that, you know, I only go over a daily time frame though. So, you know, on the short time frames, you may be seeing different trends there. So, still be careful though, okay? Mark Alice, what's up? Mark Alice, what's up, brother? What's up? What's up? What's up? Again, if you want me to cover any kind of ticker here, you have to put the ticker name, the ticker and the name of the coin, okay? For example, DOGE, Dogecoin. You put both, I may cover it. You put both, I may cover it. Let's see here. So let's go ahead and go back to the let's go ahead and go back into the Dogecoin now, okay? Again, on the hourly, long-term bullish, short-term, we're seeing a little indecision. But the bulls are taking it back slowly but surely though. So I would say give it another about 6, 7, I would say give it another maybe 7 to 8 hours here and we will be in the bullish momentum. If we can continue it, we can possibly see a new all-time high tonight. But again, the trend has the trend has to stay at this same exact velocity. If it changes, guess what? Everything changes. What I say right now only applies to right now. Lux Liquid. KFC cannot tweet about Doge was 11 hours ago. Okay, 11 hours ago. All right, it's good. Let's see here. So 6. Okay. All right. Thank you, Lux Kid, for letting me know. So I just wanted to check to see 11 hours ago to see if there was any possible spike due to the KFC tweet here, and it looks like there was some here, right? The range was 6425 up to 6545 right here, right? About a 3-cent difference. So I mean, could that be attributed? Could that be attributed? Could that be attributed to KFC? I don't know, but looking at the trend on the hourly time frame, I would say no. More likely no than anything else. Senka, can you look into Holochain Hot, please? I don't day trade, but I'm a long-term investor. Okay, let's see what is Hot doing. Let's see what is Hot doing. Let's see, Hot. H-O-T. I'll put here. You know what? Let me see. Okay. H-O-T. Let's see what H-O-T is doing. Okay. It's stinking. What's up, man? What's up? Oh, there you go. Is it working? Okay. I guess HOT is slow or something. Not too sure why, but a little bizarro. There you go. Okay, you know what? It doesn't like it. That's okay. That's okay. That's okay. It does not like it here. Okay, HOT. Let me see. HOT is currently in a pretty strong downward trend here, okay? Let's see here. HOT was in a strong downward trend, and it broke out of the strong downward trend here, right? But we're seeing tons and tons of weakness right now. Just tons and tons of weakness right now, okay? So this tells me there's going to be price pressure to the downside, okay? With HOT, I see price pressure to the downside. Where I see a potential support is around here, okay? These are going to be your potential supports for HOT. 007268 is going to be your strong support. Your weak support will be around 010477. Those will be your weak supports for HOT, okay? So now we know. Let's go back to our beautiful Dogecoin and see what is going with our beautiful Dogecoin. Okay, so currently on our time frame, we are seeing a little indecision here, okay? We are seeing some indecision. And that's okay. It's okay. It's okay to see some indecision, folks, all right? Again, we are seeing Dogecoin rise 78% in the past 3 days, okay? All right, you're seeing lots of profit taking right now. And again, the trend is extremely bullish for long term. So when you see a flash dip, I would say it's a pretty good idea to get into it and trade that flash dip, okay? For example, if you catch this flash dip right here, right? You could be up potentially right now. You could be potentially up 25% from a flash dip. And usually with flash dips, when you see a flash dip on an extremely bullish trend, it is pretty safe to buy because most likely it will bounce. Ayush Banga. Any crypto for short-term profit? Love you from India, bro. Any crypto for short-term profit? Well, short-term is what? A few hours, a few days? A swing trade? I mean, it depends on what you consider a short-term trade is, though. But I would say with Dogecoin, for Dogecoin currently, it's a short-term trade right now. You buy a dip and you sell the rip right there. So for example, for Dogecoin, the support would be around 5907, okay? Around 5907. That's gonna be your support there. Anywhere around there, that could be a potential quick dip and sell real quick if you're a day trader. So let's go ahead and go into the 15-minute time frame now. Let's see what the 15-minute time frame. And let's see what the 15-minute time frame is doing right now. Okay, so let's see here. Let's see what is Dogecoin doing on the 15-minute time frame. Let's see here.
You're a catalyst for change and an advocate for those in need. And we believe you deserve more.
Okay, on the 15-minute time frame, Dogecoin is looking extremely bullish here. Extremely bullish. This tells me possibly in the next let's see here. Let's see.
Learn more about the Chicago School's
Let's see here.
Los Angeles campus at thechicagoschool.edu.
I would say in the next possibly 2 to 3 hours here. In the next possible, again, it's possible in the next two to 3 hours, we can see a potential new higher high here. So just depends here. Again, it could happen in the next 2 to 3 hours, okay? All right, but it's not, it is not the gospel. It is assuming everything holds equal as of right now. If things change, then guess what? It also cheats us too. So currently, currently Dogecoin is looking really good on. Currently, Dogecoin is looking really good. Let's go into the minute time frame here. On the minute time frame though, we're seeing a downward trend on the minute time frame, okay? But keyword is minute time frame, all right? So when you see a downward trend on the minute time frame, it is just that, a downward trend on the minute time frame. Let's see here. But on the longer time frame, but on the longer portion of the 1 minute time frame, we're seeing a nice uptrend here. Okay, so this Mandingo support here has to stay strong, or we will break down and continue down here. So we will see in the next few moments here what is going to happen. We shall see shortly, folks. We shall see shortly. We shall see shortly what's going to happen, folks. Okay, here. Hi, John. What are your thoughts about ETC? Okay, let's go see ETC. Wait, did I just cover ETC, I think? Right. Was the ETC, I'm seeing it being extremely bullish. ETC is extremely bullish, but right now, I would say for ETC, I would say for ETC right now, if it were me, again, I don't give financial advice, but if it were me though, for ETC, I would look to start taking profits around here. I'm not saying take all your profits, but start taking some off the table. If it was me, that's what I would be doing, because depending on what you're doing here, if you're trading it or you're investing, I don't know, but if you're investing, it doesn't matter. If you're trading it, you may want to take some profits. Just depends on your strategy, and again, I do not give financial advice, okay? Want to make sure I clarify that, so no one mistakes me for giving you financial advice here. But the current trend is very, very bullish though. But you know what? I would say for ETC, look for a pullback and buy a dip and sell the rip, okay? So that's how I would trade and play ETC right now. Again though, folks, it is my opinion, so just, you know what I mean? It is my opinion, okay, folks? So take it with a grain of salt here, and as always, I say to you guys, do your own due diligence, all right? You're amazing. No, you're amazing. Thank you, brother. Thank you. Appreciate it. VET, okay. Let's see, what is VET doing? I think VET is VeChain, right? I believe VET is VeChain, right? I'm pretty sure it's VeChain. Let's see though. Let's see. Okay. So VET here, okay? VET is looking pretty darn bullish here. VET is very, very bullish. However, we have broken down, okay? I am seeing lots of resistance right here, okay? Anywhere from 25161 up to about 28131. Tons and tons of resistance right there, okay? Currently at 20780 up to about 22341. Tons and tons of resistance there too. So this tells me VeChain is gonna pull back. When it pulls back, it may pull back to about 1449, okay? It may pull back to 14.8, all right? 14.8 may be where it pulls back to. At around 14.8 is where I would look into a dip buying position if I were to trade VeChain. All right, VeChain is showing some weakness right now. VeChain is showing some weakness, but overall, long term, very, very bullish though. But short term, showing weakness and showing a pullback here. So it can definitely pull back. Just be careful. Just be careful. Let's go back to our beloved Dogecoin now. All right. Hey John, have you heard of, what do you think of Chester Coin? I have no idea what Chester Coin is. I have never heard of Chester Coin. And huge Banga, except Doge, short-term 2 to 3 days. I have 5,000 Doge and any other crypto than Doge. Okay. Let's see, for a short-term play here. Let's see, not VeChain. For VeChain, it could be a good swing trade. For VeChain, it could be a good swing trade because I believe that if VeChain hits around 14.85, it can bounce from there and go back up to around 18,766. To me, that's a pretty easy trade there. Potentially a 30% trade, but it could take a few days to happen though. But again, no guarantee though, right? Let me see what else is there. Let me see what Bitcoin is doing. Let me see what Bitcoin is doing here. Let's see, what is Bitcoin doing? Let's see. Let's see here. Okay. I think Bitcoin could be a good trade right now. If you're doing a trade for Bitcoin, I think it could go back up to about I think Bitcoin can go from here, from 57K, from 57.4K. I believe it could go up to 60K again fairly easily in the next few days. That's what I believe, based on the current trend I'm seeing though, right? I would think Bitcoin is a pretty good trade right now if you're looking for a short-term trade. Then again, you know, there's no guarantees, but right now I believe Bitcoin can be an easy trade to make from 57.4 right now up to about 60K. That's a pretty easy trade in my opinion there, and it's quite possible in my opinion here. All right. Based on the way the chart is looking, I can see that potentially happening short term though. So just be careful. Just be careful though. However, if the trade does not work out for you, if it breaks down below 56716, that's where I would look for a stop loss. But again, be careful, okay? If you're doing a trade, you should not be, you know, a trade should be a trade should be probably 2% of your budget, okay? You shouldn't be putting 10%, 15%, 25%, all right? If you're doing a quick trade, your budget should be around 2% of your budget, all right? Any more than that, I would say you're getting too greedy, and be careful, man. Just be careful, all right? I just share with you what I would do. There's no right or wrong here, but you know what I mean? Just my opinion here, okay? Just my opinion. Let's see what is going on here. Okay, let's see here. Safe Moon. My God, you guys just love your Safe Moon, man. Love your Safe Moon. I don't know, man. All I say is Safe Moon is be careful. Be careful, man. Be careful. And of course, as always, I always tell you guys and girls here, do not day trade, okay? Because if you day trade, usually it's going to be a losing proposition on your part there. So I do want to make sure I throw out that disclaimer, okay? I don't encourage day trading, but if you want to do it, you can do it. but I just want to make sure I throw out I want to make sure I throw out that disclaimer in case folks are new here and they think they will get rich overnight. Okay, if you day trade, you will get poor overnight usually, 9 out of 10 times. Okay, so just be careful. All right, I'm not trying to discourage you or be negative. I am just trying to give you the reality of what day trading is. And I know folks here are watching, they may be new, so I feel like it's my responsibility to give those kinds of disclaimers out there, because you see folks, hey, whoa, look at him, he's doing like a quick 5% trade. Oh, look at him doing a quick 10% trade. I can do that too. Why not, right? No. Be careful, okay? Be careful. Oh, by the way, I forgot to say, happy Cinco de Mayo to all of my Latino people here. Happy Cinco de Mayo to everybody. I almost forgot. My bad. I almost forgot. Let's see here. Yeah, man. Plus, it's a Wednesday. If it was Tuesday, if it was Tuesday, we could do a happy Cinco de Mayo and a Taco Tuesday. But it's unfortunately Wednesday. That's okay. On Wednesdays, we do churros. What's Harmony 1? I told you guys already. If you want me to go over a ticker, give me the ticker and give me the name at the same time. The ticker and the name, okay? Give me the ticker and the name if you want me to go over something. If not, I'm gonna ignore it. Okay, folks. We are currently testing that long-term uptrend line. By long-term, I mean about 9 hours here. Okay, so we've seen a 9-hour long-term uptrend here. Let's see if we can bounce off it again. Okay, let's see if we can bounce off it again. Let's see, from this bounce to this bounce here, we saw about a 23% bounce here. Okay, from here to here, we see about a 12% bounce here. Let's see here, so 24 to 12% here, right? And now we're seeing another bounce here to about 5%. So every time this bounces, the velocity gets weaker and weaker and weaker. This tells me the bulls are getting tired. So right now, it's very possible that we break down below this 9-hour uptrend. Very, very possible. Let's see. All right, let's see here. Let's try doing Crow. Not sure what Crow is though, but let's go see what is Crow. By the way, what is Crow? What is it? What does it do? At ELC at El Cabo 85. What is Crow? What does it stand for? What does it stand for? At El Cabo 85. What is Crow?
McDonald's. I'm loving it.
Limited time only. Prices and participation may vary. Valid for item of equal or lesser value.
Crow is not pulling up, man. Crow is not pulling up. Okay, no idea, man. No idea. If it doesn't pull up, I can't look at it. Let's see what else we got here. Refinance. Okay, at Ayman Al-Kazi. At Ayman Al-Kazi, what is Reef? Ayman Al-Kazi, what is Reef? Why are you interested in Reef? What is it? Okay, so let's see here. Reefer or reef, whatever it's called. Let's see, what is reef here? Let me check what is reef. Give me a moment. I will look into it. Just give me a quick moment. Let's see. What is reef? All right. Okay, reef. Let's see here. On the daily. Oh, it's pretty small thing, huh? It's pretty tiny. All right. Oh, this is new, huh? Okay. Reef is pretty new, huh? Wow. Let's see. Reef went from 0.001250 up to about 30 cents in the first day or week it was dropped, huh? That's pretty bearish. I would say reef is looking pretty bearish right now. Reef is looking pretty bearish right now. Yep. I would say reef is pretty bearish right now. In my opinion, it's looking pretty bearish. So I'll be careful with reef though. All right. If reef breaks out below 0.028482, I will be careful. Okay. I'm not sure what reef is though, but I'll be careful. I gave you the place where it breaks down. Run for the hills. All right. Okay, folks, again, I want to clarify, if you want me to go over a particular ticker here, if you want me to go over a ticker, I need to see the ticker name. I'm sorry, I need to see the ticker and the name next to it, okay? Ticker and name. If I don't see it, I won't go over it. It is that simple. Amen, Okazi. John, refinance is wait, what? John, refinance is a liquidity aggregator and multi-chain smart yield engine that allows integration of any DeFi protocol. Okay, sounds good. Sounds like a utility play. Let's see here. Okay, and Andrew P. What is Harmony One? What is Harmony One at Andrew P? What is it? What is it, and why are you interested in Andrew P? Why are you interested in Harmony? Let's see, what is Harmony doing? Okay, Andrew P, let me know why you are interested in it, okay? Okay, let's see here. Let's see. Harmony was released last year. It has seen significant gains since last year. Okay, looking pretty good. Pretty bullish though. Let's see. Definitely looking like short-term bearish here. Short-term bearish here and tons of pullback. I would say around 0.03559 is going to be your support zone. The next one's going to be at 0.08154. Those are going to be your two support zones for Harmony One. For me, I personally would not be trading this. It looks too sketchy to me. But if you want to trade it, those are going to be your support zones for the most part. All right. Let's see here. And overall, short-term bearish, long-term bearish, long-term it's beginning. Long-term it is beginning to turn bearish as well. So for me, Harmony One is a no-go for me. If I was shorting Harmony One, I would definitely short Harmony One though. All right, I would definitely short it, but I would definitely not buy it though. When I say buy it, I mean go long. Okay. OG Tune Trovo, thank you. Please info on Doge is close to reversal to go up. On a day looks bare. Let's see here. Okay, folks, we are breaking down below the green trend line. Okay, folks, we are breaking down below the green trend line. I did tell you guys before that here, right here, right? We were seeing lower and lower bounces here each time. We were seeing a 24%, then a 12%, now a 5%. So each bounce we see is getting smaller and smaller and smaller. This tells me the bulls are losing some of the momentum, and of course they've been going for about 9 hours straight, so of course they're gonna lose some momentum. John C. Wynn, what's up, brother? I appreciate. Let's see. Hey, Kyle, hey, John, can I get a breakdown on ISRG Intuitive Surgical? Add Kyle. What makes you interested into ISRG? Let me know. Kyle, let me know why you are interested in ISRG, all right? Let me know why you are interested in ISRG at Kyle. Let's see, ISRG. Let's see what that pulls up here. Let's hope it pulls up. Nope. Never mind. It does not pull up, so I cannot go over it. Let's see. OGN Origin Protocol at GoT83. GoT83. Why are you interested in OGN Protocol? All right. Why are you interested in OGN Protocol? All right, at GoT83. Okay, give me a little more than a team, right? Give me a little more. What's so good about it? What are they doing? Let's see. Okay. Let's see here. So it looks like it's looking pretty bearish to me, okay? It is looking pretty bearish to me, all right, for OGN, looking pretty bearish short term, all right? Long term, it is beginning to become bearish as well, okay? But there is no time though. There is no time for this to break out, but right now looking a little bearish though, all right? The longer this continues, the more and more bearish it will be, okay? So for me, if I was trading OGN, I would look to buy in around 11539, okay? $1.15 is where I would look to do the trade on OGN. 115 is looking at a place where I would buy OGN, but for me, OGN is something I would definitely short though. I would definitely short OGN for sure. And if I go for a long trade, around 115 is what I would do. But again, these are just my opinions here, so take it with a grain of salt, and as always, do your own due diligence. Wait, is OCGN a stock or a cryptocurrency? Is OCGN a stock or a cryptocurrency? Because I just put an OCGN and didn't put anything. All right, well, you know what? I am covering cryptocurrencies, right? So you gotta tell me, man. You gotta tell me if it's a crypto or a stock. You know what I mean? Oh my God! Come on now, folks. Come on now. Right? We are looking at cryptos, and you say you want a stock. That's fine, but you gotta let me know it's a stock, though. Come on now. Let's see here. Let's see here. For OCGN. Okay, they saw a nice gap here. Okay, they saw a nice gap here. All right, so this tells me there was some kind of news overnight, and it threw OCGN to the moon here. Okay, there was news at around February 8th. Okay, what is it? Let me see. On February 8th, 2021, there was news or something like that, and it popped up OCGN to the moon here. I don't know. I do not know what the news was, but so for OCGN, the fundamentals have changed. The fundamentals have changed for sure. Let's see here. It is looking short-term bearish, long-term bullish. Okay. Short-term bearish, long-term bullish. This means we're gonna see a pullback. All right. If OCGN pulls back to around 532, that is where I would do a trade to buy it in and to buy a dip and sell the rip. If I were trading this, that's what I would. That's what I would be doing. All right. And you're seeing significant resistance around 1565. Tons and tons of resistance. So be careful. Be careful. OCGN is very, very erratic right now. That this tells me that we're seeing just tons and tons of news here driving this momentum trade. So to me, looking at the chart here, OCGN does not look like a very good trade or investment. All right, but there is no problem with making money off trash though. To me, the chart looks trashy, but you can make money off. But you can always make money off trash though. Okay, you can always make money off trash. All right, ISRG is a stock. Okay, let's see. What is ISRG? All right. All right, Kyle. I'm giving you a second chance now. Tell me, why are you interested in ISRG? All right, let me know. Why are you interested in ISRG? What is it? What do you do? Let's see. ISRG is seeing a strong pullback. All right, ISRG is seeing a strong pullback right now. If I were in ISRG, I would look into taking profits right now. All right. If it was me, I would take profits. Okay. Let's see here. So for ISRG, if it gets around 823.02 and there is no bounce off there, you know, that's where it'll start breaking down. Okay. And when it breaks down, look for support, a strong support around 694. I'm sorry, around 690 is going to be a strong support. Okay, all right. So that's why I see the stock so far. And let's go back to our beloved Dogecoin now. Okay, Dogecoin is hovering around. Dogecoin is hovering around that Mandingo uptrend line. Let's see if it can hold it though. Let's see if it can hold it though. All right, let's see. All right, folks, don't spam, okay? Don't spam, all right? Don't spam. Oh my God. Hi, John. ISRG is an American corporation that develops, manufactures, and markets robotic products designed to improve clinical outcomes of patients. Okay, you know what? At Kyle, that to me sounds like a very, very good play. At Kyle, to me, when I read that, to me, that sounds like a very, very good investment. I believe you're right. The fundamentals is definitely investment though. However, short term, we're gonna see a pullback and showing some weakness right now. This tells me folks are taking profits in ISRG because they look like they are in all-time highs, and guess what? When you're in all-time highs, people take profits. Thank you for sharing, Kyle. Thank you for sharing that. I believe based on what you told me, that is a good long-term investment for sure. And I would also say ISRG is a good trade as well because it is bullish right now. Edgar Silva, hey John, can you check the Water Technology International? It's basically a company that uses humidity on air and convert it on drinkable water with the use of reverse osmosis. Maybe the next Dogecoin. Okay. And WTII, to me that sounds like a very, very good emerging growth stock. Very good for I would say that stock is pretty good for emerging markets, you know, like places with, you know, third world countries. I would say that's a very, very good stock based on that fundamental right there. You know, as you know, water is a shortage in the world here, so I would say it is definitely a good play. Let's see here. Well, you know what, at least based on whatever you're telling me, the fundamentals sound very, very good. Okay, so let's see. ISRG, or I'm sorry, WTII has been around since 2007 at a price around $105,000. It looks like it had some kind of a maybe possible IPO or something. Some kind of IPO, something bizarre like that. It's very strange how low the volume is too. The volume is so low. WTII, you know what? I take that back. I take it back. Again, I only said it's not good fundamentally based on what I read. However, the chart is showing a big difference here. The chart is telling me WTII is pretty much a garbage play. All right. I don't think this. You know what? Based on the chart here, I don't think this is going to be the next Dogecoin in the stock market world. However, based on the chart though, this tells me you can see a potential pump and dump though, because it's currently at about 2.79 cents there, so it's very, very low. But to me, this is not a good play though. To me, WTII, I would stay far, far away from it. I would stay far away based on the charts here. However, what you told me in the chat here, it sounds good fundamentally, but chart-wise, it is terrible. It is pure garbage, hot basuda. This tells me either there are tons of shorts here or the stock is just terrible. And they say one thing and they cannot produce what they're saying here, and that's why you're seeing such a strong sell-off here. And also, it's in the OTC market here, right? So it's in the penny market. So I would say be careful, man. This is a penny stock, so be careful, all right? Be careful. All right. So again, with OTC stocks, they are penny stocks. High risk, high reward. I say stay away from it because more times it's more hoax than actually goodness here. So at Edgar Silva, be careful and stay away. All right. The fundamentals say one thing, but the chart says stay far away. All right. Just want to make sure I do my part and let you know. Okay. It said Bukari, is a sushi coin good for entering the current price? I don't know. What's sushi? Sushi. Let's see what sushi is. Sounds good though. Sounds good, but is it good though? All right. I'm guessing this is called sushi here, right? I don't know. Sushi something UDT. All right. Let's see. Let's see here. Let's see. What do we have here? Give me a quick second. Let me look into it. Okay. Okay, let's see here. Sushi. Okay. The daily here, all right? Let's see here. It came out about August 34, August 2020, so it's a pretty new coin. It's a pretty new coin, okay? Let's see here. Let's see. All right. Oops. Misclicked out right there. Let's go here. Let's go ahead and go here. All right, so we're seeing a downward price pressure. We're seeing a downward trend here, right? A downward trend. All right, let's see here. We're seeing a pretty strong downtrend here. So to me, sushi is not looking very good. You know, a short term bearish, long term pretty bearish too. All right. However, around $9.07 could be a possible dip buying zone. But again, I wouldn't say that's very strong. But if $9.07, and if it doesn't bounce around there, I would say sushi is gonna go back to the trash, to where it came from. So I would be careful with sushi. I would be careful with sushi. The momentum, the momentum is not your friend right now, okay? On sushi, it is not your friend. All right, Dogecoin. Dogecoin is hovering around the upward trend line, okay? It is hovering around that upward trend line. Let's see if Mandingo can pop it back up. All right, Mandingo, pop it back up. Yeah, man, definitely something to watch out for, okay? Definitely something to watch out for, folks, okay? All right, so be careful, okay? Dogecoin right now is riding that upward trend. It's riding it up, baby. Riding it up. All right, need to be careful. Need to be careful. Need to watch it like a hawk, all right? But of course, if Mandingo can pop it back up, good things can come. Good things can come, okay? You gotta watch and see what is popping, locking, dropping. Let's see here. Ripple, huh? I'm seeing some Ripple. All right. Okay, let's see here. Let's see what we got here. Let's do XRP. I saw XRP. Let's see what is XRP doing. XRP. Nope. Maybe it's over here. Is it here? Let's see. All right, XRP. Let's see what is XRP doing here on the longer time frame. Let's see what is XRP doing. XRP is looking pretty bullish right now. XRP is looking pretty bullish. However, I would take profits anywhere from 183 and above. I would take profits though. That's what I would do if I see XRP. That's what I would do. All right. We're seeing some bearish momentum. Some bearish momentum. This tells me the bears are in short-term control. All right. It looks like Mandingo cannot flick it back up. It's okay. It's okay. He's tired. He needs a break. It's okay. He's tired and he needs a break. No worries. We understand. We are very, very accommodating people. Okay, let's see here. ADA Cardano. Okay, let's see what our beloved Cardano doing. ADA Cardano. Let's see here. All right, for Cardano is very bullish. It's very bullish. However, even though it's bullish here, the bulls are losing some momentum, okay? So if I was in Cardano, yes, I believe in the next 2 days it could potentially go higher. However, it is reaching the resistance of 146 up to about 155. Right there is going to be a strong resistance zone. All right. However, given the way the chart is looking currently, though, I would say it is very likely that it will break up above it. Very likely. All right, let's see here. However, though, we are seeing a little hill, though. Okay. However, though, I am seeing a little hill here. Usually, when I see a hill, to me, that is a bearish sign. So this tells me that if we do not break the resistance in the next 2 days, it's gonna come back down. So I would say for now, right now for ADA, I will take profits. If it was me, I would take profits. But again, I do not give financial advice. It is just my opinion, and you can do however you want to do, okay? Just want to clarify that I do not give financial advice. So that's what I would be doing. But again, based on the way the chart is looking so far, it looks like it could crack this little hill here. So you know what? It's hard to say right now because we are in all-time highs, and when you're in all-time highs, guess what? You are in price discovery. When you're in price discovery, nobody knows. And it's always prudent to take some profits at all-time highs. You know what I'm saying? I'm not saying stop the whole thing. Maybe take 10%, 20%, whatever you are comfortable with. You know what I'm saying? Whatever you are comfortable with. Okay. Okay, our beloved Dogecoin is now bouncing around that Mandingo trend, just hugging it like a pair of huggies. Let's see if we can break through right now, okay? If Dogecoin is to continue the uptrend, they need to break out above the trend in the next 5-10 minutes, okay? All right.
The Facts of Life star Kim Fields' new sitcom.
The chemistry was really there right out of the gate.
Plus, a one-hit wonder
All right.
from the 90s is
In the next 5 to 10 minutes, okay? In the next 5 to 10 minutes, if Dogecoin cannot break above the trend line, this tells me we are more than likely to break down, okay? So just something to watch out for. Just something to watch out for. All right, folks, give me a quick second, all right? Give me a quick second. I need to go to the restroom, all right? Give me a quick moment. I will be right back. Just need to go to the restroom real quick, all right? All right, I'm back. Thank you for being patient. Let's see here. What do we have here now? Let's see. Let's see. What are you guys saying? Okay, folks. Okay, folks. Okay, folks. We are breaking up right now, folks. We are breaking up right now. The Bulls want to keep that control. However, the Bulls want to keep the control. But can the Bulls spank that pink? All right. Can the Bulls spank that pink? I don't know. We gotta watch and see. We have to watch and see, okay, folks? I do want to note, though. I do want to note, if we do not spank that pink and break through it, this means we are coming back down, and we're seeing a very, very strong resistance trend line, okay? So again, we want to spank that pink right now, not later. Right now, not later. All right. So if you guys want to drop some blue bombs, go ahead. Go ahead and do it right now. Hello again. I am the Russian guy from yesterday's stream. What's up, bro? I can't read your name, but what's up, brother? What's up? What's up, man? Welcome back. Welcome back. Happy to have you here, brother. Welcome back. Welcome back. Okay. Dewey 9000. Hey John, what would be landing on a moon? What would be landing on the moon for you? For me, the moon will be $10. Okay. For me, that's the moon. 10, $10. If I see $10, you best believe I will be start capturing some profits. So then I don't care. By the way, how is everyone doing today? How is everyone doing today? Life is good. Life is good. Dead? I don't know. Awesome, awesome. I am glad you guys are doing great today. It's fantastic. I love it. I love it. I love it. I'm happy you guys are doing great. Love it, love it, love it. 100%. Okay, folks. Okay, folks. We are charging towards that 50 MA. I'm sorry, not 50 MA. We are charging towards that pink line, baby. We are charging towards that pink line. I like what I see, and I see what I like. Holy cow. Courtney Jones, did I by taking 1K profit, but I still have $1,500 and 2,800 coins at 27 cents? I don't get it. I don't get it. Courtney Jones, what do you mean? I think you are doing just fine. I think you are doing just fine. There is no problem. There is never a problem with taking profits, okay? Because money today is better than money tomorrow. You never know. Tomorrow, Dogecoin can go to 0 cents tomorrow for all you know here, right? Right? Or Dogecoin can go to $10. You never know. You never know. It's okay to always take profits, okay? You should never ever feel bad about it or think I messed up or anything. No, 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 no. Taking profits is very, very bullish. All right? Never forget that. Never, ever forget that. Let's see here. When will I take profits? I just answered that question. Holy cow. Oh my God. No. I'm just saying that cryptocurrency is the wild west, okay? That's why I only put my fun money into cryptocurrencies. It's fun money. Either I go moon or I go bust. Either which way, I'm okay with that. And you know, I do want to tell everyone here, if you're new or whatever is here, you know what I'm saying? It is okay to take profits, okay? There is no shame in it ever. There is never shame in taking profits, all right? Sucker free 830. 830. Let's give John super chats for his hard work. Come on, guys. Hey, man, I appreciate the love, brother. I appreciate the love. Courtney Jones, thanks. I thought about it earlier. No. Add Courtney Jones. Add Courtney Jones. Add Courtney Jones. You should never look back in hindsight, okay? You should never look back in hindsight, because when you decide to sell at that moment, you had the most latest information at that moment, okay? If you look back in hindsight, my God, your whole life will look like a mess up, okay? So do not beat yourself up, and do not, for the love of God, for the love of God, do not punch yourself, okay, by looking back in hindsight. It is very, very terrible for yourself, and you do not need to do that to yourself, okay? Love yourself, and it's okay. Don't ever worry about it. Because when you sold at that point in time, you had the most recent information. So you should never ever have, you know, regrets or anything. It is what it is. Move on for next trade, and you best believe there will always be the next trade. Otis, keep it going. Support John. I appreciate the love, people. I really do appreciate love, 100%. Stephen Whitfield, what do you think of Ethereum Classic? Can you pull it up? I just converted my Cardano to it. Okay. I will go over what was it? ETC. Yes. Okay. Again, we are tapping that pink line, okay? We are tapping that pink line, all right? All right, I will go over ETC. At Stephen Whitfield, I will go over ETC in 5 minutes, okay? I will go over ETC in 5 minutes, all right? Let's watch some Dogecoin right now, because it's getting pretty interesting, all right? So give me 5 minutes, and we will get to it. I promise you, I won't forget, all right? Okay. We are spanking that pink, baby. We are spanking that pink. I like what I see, and I see what I like. Holy cow. What is the highest we can reach with today, bro? The highest possible I see it coming today is gonna be around 6975. I believe 6975 was a previous all-time high. So if we get around there and we can break that, I would say 75 cents is gonna be on deck. All right. But first things first, we have to break this temporary downward trend. We have to break this temporary downward trend line, okay? There's no guarantee that we will see 75 cents today. There is no guarantee that we will see 75 cents today, but on the 15-minute time frame, looking pretty bullish though. So you know what? I think it can happen. Courtney Jones, what happens? What happens? We spank the pink line. Well, you know what? At Courtney Jones, when we spank that pink line, that means we are breaking out of a downward trend line, and that means there is possibility for a next bull run to start. So we might reach 70 cents. Yes. We might reach 75 cents and 70 cents. But first things first, we need to break 69.75 first, okay? If we can break 6975, then yes, 70 cents and 75 cents is going to be on deck in my opinion. And based on what I see on the 15-minute time frame and hourly time frame, I say, you know what? We have the room to do it. But however, we have to wait and see. No guarantee, no guarantee it'll happen, but we do, but I do see the room for to do it though. Okay, let me go over ETC. Let me go ahead and go over ETC now. Since it's kind of slow. Since Dogecoin is getting rejected off of that peak line. Okay, so let me do ETC and see what it's looking like right now. I think I went over it before, but I forgot what I said before. Let's see. ETC, yes. For ETC, for me, if I were to trade this, I would look into taking some profits for it right now. All right. For ETC, a strong support, it's gonna be around 39.11. It's gonna be your strong support, okay? For ETC, your strong support is gonna be around 39.11. All right. For ETC, you're seeing very, very bullish short term and very, very bullish long term. However, we're seeing a strong sell off here, right? From $66 to 150 here, right? We're seeing a strong sell off here, right? A strong sell off, about a 52%, a 58% sell off right there. So from April 22nd right here, right? About, let's see, in about 13 days, ETC has risen 262%. However, at the high, it was actually about 500% there. So you know what? It has given back 250. It has given back 250% gains, and I see that's normal because when you go that high, and that fast, you best believe people are going to take profits. It's very normal and very, very healthy too. If I was seeing it right now for ETC, I would start looking into taking some profits. Not all, but taking some profits. Okay, again, we are getting rejected off of that pink liner right here, right? So apparently, you know, that pink line was just too strong, and that's okay. That's okay. That's okay. We are taking a little break. No problem. No problem. We're taking a little break. No problem. All right, no problem. We are taking a quick commercial break. No worries, folks. No worries whatsoever. Okay here. Well, let's go ahead and show you guys what the you know, what the short-term support and resistance are. Okay, again, I am making sure to say right now, I am making sure I am absolutely clear. Short-term support and short-term resistance. Okay, so again, keyword is short-term. All right, if you're a day trader, this is what you're looking for. All right, so let's see, what do I see?
At Ralph's, everything we sell is guaranteed fresher than fresh because our associates constantly check to make sure everything is at the peak of freshness. That means peeking at the peaches, spying on the steaks, and delving deep into the dairy department. So everything we sell is guaranteed fresh, or we'll make it right. Ralph's, fresh for everyone.
Get more ways to save at the Buy 5 or More Save $1 each sale. Just buy 5 or more participating items and save $1 each with card. Ralph's, fresh for everyone.
Okay, this is for the day traders. Okay, this is for the day traders. All right, again, I want to clarify, this is for the day traders. Okay, a very, very short trade. All right, so I will just say the support and resistance if you're a short-term day trader. Okay, if you're not, ignore it, and it doesn't matter. 60 cents, 62 cents, and 65 cents. Okay, those are going to be your support and resistance if you're a day trader. If you're not, ignore it. It does not concern you. All right. So just want to point out for you guys here. So because, you know, I have investors, I have day traders, I have swing traders. So I need to give everyone the plays, right? So when you see it, you know what to do, all right? So you can act accordingly. Swing trading is day trading, by the way. Swing trading is day trading. All right, so there is no distinguishing the difference there. Swing trading is day trading. Same difference, brother. Yes, it is. Yes, it is. Look into the IRS and at AMC Stonky, AMC Stonk, whatever your name is here. Yes, swing trading and day trading is the exact same thing, all right? Because if you go to the IRS, they classify it as the same thing, okay? Whether you swing trade or day trade, whatever you want to call it here, you pay the same taxes. So therefore, it is classified as a day trade. But if you don't believe it, hey, that's fine. Whatever you say, man. That's okay, that's okay. We don't have to agree, no problem, no problem. I'm just telling you guys what the IRS says. You don't like it, you don't like it, no problem. No problem. AMC? Do you mean the stock for AMC or what? Do you mean the AMC stock? The movie theater chain or something or what? Okay. It sounds like you guys want to see the AMC stock, alright? Alright, you know what? Let me go and check it. Let's see what is AMC stock doing. Okay, let's see what the AMC stock is doing here. I'm pretty sure the AMC stock is one of those Wallstreetbet things right here, right? So probably tons and tons of momentum right there. Wow. Okay. AMC showing some weakness. AMC is looking like hot garbage right now. All right. AMC is looking like hot garbage. All right. AMC is breaking down below the uptrend line, okay? AMC is breaking down below the uptrend line. So to me, AMC is now looking like hot garbage, all right? This being short term, we're going to see more downward price pressure. However, the support at around 811 still holds, all right? If it breaks down below 811, run for the hills, okay? If AMC breaks down below 811, run for the hills, okay? So I would be careful for AMC right now. I would be careful. It's very spotty, very patchy. This tells me we're seeing lots and lots of squeezes and momentum and bizarre news. So I would stay away from it, honestly. It's very sketchy, very blocky. I would stay away. But of course, you can do whatever you want here. Courtney Jones should add another 1K or wait for a next big dip. Add Courtney Jones. I would wait for a next big dip. If it was me, I would wait for the next big dip and punt ahead, okay, Courtney Jones? You know where the support and resistance are. I say to you, Courtney Jones, wait for a trade to come to you. If you miss a trade, it's okay. There will always be the next trade, all right? You never need to have FOMO. You never ever need to have FOMO. It's okay. It is okay to miss a trade than to FOMO into a trade, and therefore a trade becomes an investment. I've seen it happen all too often, so I say to you, be patient and wait. It is a-okay to miss a trade. No problem. You best believe there will always be the next trade, okay? All right? No problem. Let's go for a beer, John boy. Again, at AMC Stonk, it's okay. It's okay that we disagree. There is no problem with that. No problem. We can agree to disagree. It's all good, man. But I still love you, bro. I still love you, man. It's all good. It's all good. You know what I mean? Just because we disagree doesn't mean we have bad blood or anything. It's all good, man. You know. You like black, I like white. You like pink, I like green. I don't know. There is no wrong or right here. It is just preferences. Dan Cullen, hey John, did you hear about the SEC meeting tomorrow? What about it? Add Dan Cullen, what about it? What about this meeting? What about this SEC meeting? There are plenty of meetings all the time. What about it? Okay, folks, we are breaking past the pink. We are finally crossing through the pink. Let's see if we can bounce off it and go to the upside, okay? Let's see if we can go to the upside, all right? We were trading sideways and we went through it. Let's see if we can bounce off it and go to the upside. Let's see if we can spank that pink. Let's get into a meeting with Amr Fudd. We should do that. Yeah, man. Amr Fudd will be a good meeting for sure. Amr Fudd would be a good meeting, right? Okay, folks. We are rising. We are rising. We are rising now. We are testing the 64.5. Let's see if we can break 64.5. If we can break 64.5, we are going to the upside. Okay, 645 is a resistance. Let's see if we can go through it, all right? Okay. If we can consolidate here, let me see. Let's see. If we can consolidate here. Huh? All right. All right, folks, if we can consolidate in, if we can consolidate in at or around that pink box, this tells me we are going to start a new uptrend, okay? Give it maybe half an hour, and we can see where it goes. check RVN. They got halving next year. Halving? You mean stocks or something? Or what do you mean by halving? Let's see here. Let's see. What is RVN? I don't know. What is RVN? Is it a stock? Is it a crypto? RVN. Let's see here. On the daily. Let's see what it looks like. Okay, let's see what is RVN doing. Give me a moment to look into it, alright? Give me a moment to look into it. Alright, RVN. Let's see. RVN is showing a ton of weakness right now. RVN is showing a ton of weakness here. If I were to buy RVN, I would buy around 0745 is where I would buy RVN, okay? Anywhere around 0.745 is where I would buy RBN if I was looking for a day trade. Investing in RBN long term looks bullish, but short term very, very bearish. Short term is very, very bearish. So this can continue for let's see here. I would say this can continue for up to about 32 days, okay? 32 days or more, this can continue. So if you're an RBN, I would say be careful, all right? Short-term bearish, long-term bullish. But again, you know, give it 30 days and you will know the real trend. And currently the trend is against you. So the trend is not your friend, okay? In RBN, the trend is not your friend right now. Just want to make sure I emphasize that. Okay, let's see here. What is, okay, folks, we're in the pink line. I like what I see, and I see what I like. The bulls want to take the bears to town. Almar Foot has come out. Almar Foot is coming out. Oh my god, Almar Foot and Mandingo is going to team up on Yogi Bear right now. They're about to do a German suplex. German suplex. Booyah. I am seeing lots and lots of bullishness right here. Lots and lots of it. I like what I see and I see what I like. Dogecoin is mooning. Okay? Dogecoin is mooning Yogi Bear. Literally. Yogi literally, man. Okay. We're seeing some pretty good stuff right now. Pretty good stuff right now. Okay, let's see what is going on. All right, we are currently in the pink rectangle. Looking pretty good.
Associates constantly check to make sure everything is at the peak of freshness. That means peeking at the peaches, spying on the steaks, and delving deep into the dairy department. So everything we sell is guaranteed fresh, or we'll make it right. Ralph's, fresh for everyone.
Get more ways to save at the Buy 5 or More Save $1 each sale. Just buy 5 or more participating items and save $1 each with card. Ralph's, fresh for everyone.
Alright then, let's see. Okay. What do I think Doge will happen? Well, you know what? I've already covered what I think will happen with SNL in my other videos. If you watch my other videos, you will know what to do and how to react. I said it this morning in my morning video. That's why you should watch my videos. Dogecoin 420. That's funny. Danny Cho, what are your lines representing? Well, they are representing, the yellow lines are going to be your supports and resistance if you're a day trader, all right? The turquoise line is a Mandingo uptrend line, okay? The pink line is the downward trend line, and when we expect that pink, when we break that pink, that means we go to a new uptrend. So that is what the lines mean. Okay, folks, we are crushing that pink box. We are crushing that pink box. Holy cow. I like what I see, and I see what I like. My God. Is that right? Is that right? Is that right? I got Fat Joe. Wait. I switched the narrow. I got Fat Joe to talk about Doge on my TikTok. Is that right? I switched the narrow. Link me that to my Twitter account. I want to see it. All right, switch the narrow. Link it to my tweet me that. I want to see that. Okay. We are currently swishing. We are swooshing around that pink box, okay? We are swooshing back and forth into that pink box. Let's go and break through it. Devin McKinty. I also like crushing some pink boxes. So we have that in common. My God. We have so much in common, buddy. So much in common. All right, switch the narrow. I switched the narrow. If it is true, tweet me that, please. Tweet me that, and we will see it live and see what that is all about. Hey, Coyote GT 5.0. Giddy up. Giddy up. Dan Vanderford. Hey, John. The SEC thing about them trying to regulate crypto is an attempt to force a sell-off. SEC deals with securities, not crypto. Dude, that's sent out the that's not regulation threat was a fake account. Well, you know what? Currently, JP Morgan and Bear Stearns or something? JP Morgan Chase and Bear Stearns here, right? They have Bitcoin and tons of it. They have tons of it. Do you think they're going to just say, hey, you know what? Regulate my Bitcoin for me, please, and do whatever you want with it? No. You best believe JP Morgan Chase and Bear Stearns are gonna hire some lobbyists, and they're gonna turn it in their favor. You know what I mean? So you know what? I would not be too concerned, okay? I would not be too concerned. Because big money will do what big money does, okay? Big money will do what big money does, and guess what? Big money takes care of the big money, all right? So again, that whole SEC meeting thing, to me, it sounds bogus, but you know what? If you don't believe it, go for it, right? You know what I mean? To me, it sounds more like FUD. You know what I mean? Think about this. Food for thought. Think about this. I think maybe 3 years ago, right? Mark Cuban and the guy, Mr. Happy, what's his name? Mr. Happy from Shark Tank. Kevin O'Leary. Yes. Mark Cuban and Kevin O'Leary, a few years back, we're here, right? 3 or 4 years or whatever it was. They were bashing Bitcoin. They were saying, oh my God, it's fake news. I would never buy Bitcoin. Never, ever. And while Kevin O'Leary and Mark Cuban were bashing Bitcoin, guess what they were doing? They were lining their pockets with Bitcoin. Fast forward 3 or 4 years later, oh my God, I love Bitcoin. It is a phenomenal investment. And they were buying it as they were telling you on live TV, saying, nah, man, don't buy this junk. It's garbage. It's not real stuff here. But yet they were lining their pockets, man. So, you know, I just want to give you that that perspective here. Obviously, it's like, you know, 3 to 4 years ago. So most folks have already forgotten. But guess what? Your boy remembers certain things like that because, oh my God, when I see these weird headlines on the news, all of a sudden, it's like, huh, who does this serve? So, you know, I just want to say that real quick. But obviously, what I'm saying here is pure conjecture and pure speculation. Okay, so as always, I encourage you to validate what I say and do your own due diligence. All right. Do not blindly listen to me just because I'm a guy on YouTube. All right. I always encourage you guys to verify what I say and get the real news. All right. Verify the facts and do a fact check. So, you know, I did want to say that just in case if anyone's curious or whatever, you know what I mean? Just make sure, you know, I'm always transparent with you guys, you know what I mean? I'm not trying to mislead you or whatever, you know what I mean? I just share with all you guys my truth and my opinion here, you know what I mean? My truth and my opinion. So as always, I always encourage you guys and gals to verify what I'm saying because it could be full of smoke, you know what I mean? I could be full of smoke. Okay, folks. We are balancing up right now. We are balancing up. I like what I see, and I see what I like. You know, again, you know, I have nothing to be worried about here. You know what I mean? I have nothing to worry about. So I say what I want. You know what I mean? Because no one is sponsoring me, so I can say whatever I want, man. If they don't like it, too bad. But of course, I will never say anything racist or mean, though. Jerry Harris, how do you feel about Forex trading? Well, you know what? I say to you, Jerry Harris, Forex trading and cryptocurrency trading is the exact same thing, man, because it's 24/7, all day, every day. I think for Ethereum 2.0, it's a little different, no? Isn't Ethereum 2.0 to get more faster transaction speeds, right? Because currently Ethereum does like what, like 15 a second, I believe. 15 transactions per second. I'm sorry, 15 transactions per second, I believe. I don't know. I don't remember the exact number, but something like that. Dan Cullen, what are your thoughts on staking? Well, staking is pretty much like a bond or a savings account right here, right? So if you don't mind putting your coins or whatever it is, tokens, and getting a certain APY, whatever it's called for a year, hey, you know, go for it right here, right? So it's pretty much a savings account, kind of like dividends in a sense, kind of like dividends in a sense. What do I think about Doge? I think Doge is amazing. I think I want to give Doge a hug. You did? Swish the narrow. Swish the narrow. Did you really treat me? Did you really treat me? All right. You know what? All right. I'm gonna check it out, bro. I switched to narrow. I'm gonna check it out, man. I'm gonna check out I'm gonna check out what you said, brother. All right. But if you messing with me, not nice though, not nice. Let's see. Okay. Nice. Okay. Let's give me a quick second. Let me mute the music real quick. Let's see what is Fat Joe saying about Dogecoin. Let's go.
And you gotta work on that. You know what I'm saying? Mental health, you gotta work on that. Some people say Dogecoin. Dogecoin, yeah, I got some stock in that.
Oh.
That's a good one. See, I don't want to tell you what I invested in today because I don't want you to think I'm trying to get y'all to invest in some shit. But look into the cryptocurrency. You know what I'm saying? I don't want to tell you, and then you're thinking, oh, Joe, you know, now. And you got to...
Nice. Thank you, Swish it up for sharing. Thank you, Swish it up for sharing, all right? Thank you for sharing. I appreciate it 100%. That's awesome. That is awesome. Thank you for sharing. Fat Joe is my guy. I like his music. It's good stuff here. Real talk, man. Real talk. I like that. I like some real talk. Let's see here. Coyote GT 5.0. What's up, bro? What's up? I like it, man. That's pretty cool, man. That's pretty cool. You know, it's pretty cool that Fat Joe is, you know, representing the Dogecoin. I'm going to retweet it right now. Wait, what is this? What is his thing? Wait, what? What is Fat Joe's tag? Oh my god. Hey, does anyone know Fat Joe's Twitter account by any chance? Does anyone know Fat Joe's Twitter account? What is it? I cannot find Fat Joe's Twitter account. I want to tag this guy here. Does anyone know? Oh, okay. I couldn't tell because the flannel. I couldn't tell. Okay. Very cool. That's pretty cool. That's pretty cool, man. Thank you for sharing. That's pretty cool.
At Ralph's, everything we sell is guaranteed fresher than fresh because our associates constantly check to make sure everything is at the peak of freshness. That means
Wait, what?
peeking at the peaches.
What's going on? What are you guys saying here?
Delving deep into the dairy department.
What
Everything
are you
we
guys
sell
saying here?
is guaranteed fresh, or we'll make it right. Ralph's, fresh for everyone.
Hey man, at Swish Dinero, I gave you credit, brother. I gave you credit, brother. All right. You can see my tweet. I gave you some credit, all right, folks. So if you guys want, go ahead and retweet my tweet, okay? If you want, go ahead and retweet my tweet. All right, and we can get Fat Joe spreading the Dogecoin word. All right, that's pretty cool. That's pretty cool. My Twitter handle is in the description down below, okay? My Twitter is down below in the description, okay? You can find it right there, buddy. Go ahead, guys, and retweet that, requote it, whatever's. Let's get that tweet popping, folks. All right, let's get some Dogecoin people in the Dogecoin fam all day, every day. Okay, we are in the pink box. We are in the pink box. Let's see if we can break that pink box, though. Fantastic, fantastic. By the way, everyone, thank Swish Dinero for sharing some of that awesome news, man, all right? Everyone share some love to Swish Dinero for showing some awesome news there. I always say, man, if you got good news, share it. And everyone, please share some love to Swish Dinero because he was dropping some pretty good news. I like what I see and I see what I like. That's awesome, man. That is awesome, you know? That is what the community is all about, you know what I'm saying? Sharing that information, you know what I mean? That's awesome, man. That's awesome. That is what it's all about, sharing that information, baby. All day, every day. Information is power, and power is money. All right, give me a quick second. I need to go to the baño, okay? Give me a quick second. I need to go to the baño. All right. Thank you for waiting, folks. Thank you for waiting. Had to go take a quick restroom break. Thank you for waiting. Okay, let's see what is going on. What is going on? Okay, we are still in the pink box. We are not in the pink box. We're still in the pink box. That's good. Okay. BTT. Ladies and gentlemen, what do I think about BTT? Does anyone know? What do I think about BTT? Who knows? Who knows what I think about BTT? And SafeMoon. Pirate P, hey John, I tweeted you a tweet from at CNBC SNL. It's 2 hours old, but wasn't sure you saw it. No, I didn't see it. Let me see. What is let me see what you tweet me, Pirate Pete. Let's see what you tweet me. Do you mean the KFC thing? You mean KFC? At Pirate Pete, do you mean KFC? Oh. I don't know. I don't see anything, so not sure. Oh, here we go. Oh, I see it. I see it. Let's see. Oh, okay. Nice. That's pretty cool. Pirate Pete. Pirate Pete, thank you for sharing. Oh my god. Sorry guys. I just put in here. Wait. Yeah folks. We saw right here the tweet here from Pirate Pete about Elon Musk here, right? So I retweeted it, you know, saying, hey, this is awesome, you know. I think it's pretty cool. Maybe maybe our boy Elon Musk will be Al Bandito. Who knows? Who knows, right? Who knows? Who knows? Who knows, man? Who knows? But thank you for sharing. Thank you for sharing, Pirate Pete. I do appreciate that. Pretty awesome. Pretty awesome. Okay. We are breaking down below that trend line. We are breaking down below the trend line. Let's see here. Yes. But it's okay. It's okay. We are seeing a minor pullback. No problem. Okay, let's go ahead and see what the blockchain data is saying. Let's go and see. Let's see what is a blockchain data saying right now. let me go ahead and refresh it. Let me go ahead and refresh it one more time just in case. You know what? The blockchain data is too new right now. It is too new. You know what I'm saying? Too new, and it hasn't had time to process all of the data yet. All right. Let's give it a few days and let's see if it can process that data, because we are pretty much at all-time highs right now. So the data has not been able to be processed, most likely, okay? So just be a little patient, don't worry. And as you know, we are currently in all-time highs. So you know what? I would say there are very, very, very few bag holders, okay? Very, very few bag holders. Because we are in all-time highs, baby. All-time highs. Holy cow. What? That's what they want you to think? What are you talking about? Think about what? What are you guys talking about right now? No comprehend. No comprende. What? Hunter D's. Hey John, how do you do with failure? You know what? At Hunter D, I like failure. I like failure. At Hunter D, I embrace failure and I love failure. Do you know why I love failure? I will tell you why right now. Failure is my best friend. And the reason why failure is my best friend is because in order to fail means you have to try and do something new. And when you do something new, you will learn new things. That is why failure is my best friend. All right. When you fail, it means you are taking yourself out of your comfort zone. And when you are out of your comfort zone, you are doing new things. When you're doing new things, your brain can connect new neurons, and you become a smarter individual for it. So that's why I say failure is my best friend. And that's why I encourage every single person here. That's why I encourage every single person here to fail. Because when you fail, you are trying new things, and you best believe the more you fail, the more you learn, and the more you learn, the more you earn. Okay? So that's how I see failure, and that is how I deal with failure. I continue chugging along, and I continue failing. So, you know, that is just my opinion, you know. I like seeing the glass half full. You can see it half empty, but I like seeing it as half full. You know what I'm saying? So there's always ways to see different things, but I prefer to see it half full. I don't care if I'm down and under. You know what I'm saying? To me, it is still half full. And you best believe I have tons of haters on me. Okay? People love to hate on me for my little stutter. You know what I mean? People love to hate on me for my little stutter, and you know what? That's okay, man. That's okay. I will continue failing, and I will continue stuttering. All right? So it's okay. It's okay, buddy. It's okay. All right? It's okay, man. It's okay. Fail all day, every day. Okay, folks, we are breaking off that we are breaking above. We are breaking above that Mandingo trend line. I like what I see, and I see what I like. Yes, yes, yes. We are continuing. We are continuing. And yes, 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 I encourage you to fail, man. I really do. I really do, man. I encourage you to fail. All right? All right? All right? Add 100 Ds, okay? Add 100 Ds. I encourage you to fail, okay? I say it with the most positive thing when I say to you, it's very positive, okay? I encourage you to fail so you can learn, man, and do new things and be successful, okay? So I encourage you all the time to fail. Do new things, okay? Yeah, and let's see, at Kuruzuri the Dreamer, John, you saw you stutter because your brain is processing faster than your cognitive speech. It's actually a compliment. That is true, man. That is true, because usually, you know, I think too fast, so it just doesn't come up fast enough, I guess. So yeah, it's true. It's true. It's true.
At Ralph's, everything we sell is guaranteed fresher than fresh because our associates constantly check to make sure everything is at the peak of freshness. That means peaking at the peaches.
Okay, folks, we are bouncing up. We are bouncing up, baby. I like what I see, and I see what I like. Let's go. Let's go. All I gotta see right now, is see that nice volume confirmation. And by the way, add Hunter D's. The reason why I brought up my stutter is because I know people hate on me for it all the time, and I'm being vulnerable here, and I'm sharing it with you, not to be like, oh, I'm flexing on you. I'm sharing it with you to say, hey, you know, dude, I'm stuttering and I'm working hard, so you can do it too. You know what I'm saying? That's why I brought it up. That is why I brought it up, man. Okay, to show that, hey, you know what, I'm human here, and I have plenty of weaknesses. Okay, but it is very important to acknowledge your weakness and, you know, work towards it. That's why I brought it up. You know what I mean? And using myself as an example. You know what I mean? So, not trying to be a flex or anything. Just trying to, hey, you know what? I'm an example. Look at me, and this is what it is. For sure. I do appreciate all you guys here, you know, watching and learning, and you know, for me, I do appreciate it, you know, so it's awesome. It's awesome, man. It really is super awesome. I literally have no shame. And you know what? I don't know if it's a good thing or bad thing, but I have no shame, man. You know, I just hope you guys are making some moolah, learning something, getting some laughs, you know, something, man, you know. Brian Hernandez. Oh, I'm sorry. Byron Hernandez. I have 3K at 8 cents. Opinions on my position. I say to you, at Byron Hernandez, you know, there is never any shame in taking profits. But as you know, you are sitting super duper pretty, and you're sitting on super duper moolah. So you know what? If I were you, you know, in my opinion here, I wouldn't even care. I would just let it ride out. But of course, if you need some moolah, you know what I say to you? There is no shame in taking your gains. But it just depends on, you know, what you want to do, right? You know, it just depends on what you want to do. I say to folks, you know what? If you're in all-time highs, take 10% off the table. 10%, 20%, whatever, you know what I'm saying? Have some cash in your pocket today, treat yourself, you know, to a nice dinner or whatever, you know. But if you're like me and you're crazy, you're holding for moon or bust. So just depends on your strategy, man. Just depends. There is no right or wrong here. Just depends on what you want to do. Okay, folks, let's see. We are literally riding at the trend line, man. We are literally riding at the trend line. However, the bullish news is that we've seen a bullish cross. That is the good news, though. We have seen a bullish cross. However, the next good news is that yes, we broke below that bullish cross. The good news is that we saw a nice wick, and the bulls bought it up almost instantly. So to me, looking more bullish than bearish here. What price is the moon to me? The moon price is $10. All right, $10 for holla. All right, so till then, I don't care what Dogecoin does. For me, it's moon or bust. But again, folks, I don't encourage anyone to do what I'm doing here, okay? I'm crazy, and I do crazy things, okay? So for you guys, I say there is no shame in taking profits, okay? Exactly, moon or bust, man. This is like, to me, in my opinion, to me, Dogecoin is one of this is one of these I would say this is one of these once and a lifetime opportunity. Right now we are sitting in a once in a lifetime opportunity. So you best believe I'm moon or nothing, man. So again, I am different though, you know, I am doing a different thing here, different strategy, different mindset. So, you know what I'm saying? You do you and I'll do me, all right? If you're scared or whatever's here, you know what I'm saying? Take your profits. There is no shame in that. Be proud of it. Take your money out, take your wife out, take your girlfriend out, whatever, man. Have a good time. Enjoy your money. IQ logic. I'm crazy and do crazy things. Crazy things happen to me, like going to the moon with Doge. Yes, sir. At IQ logic, that is totally me, bro. Totally me, 100%. You know, I don't encourage anyone to follow me at all. Again, I actually discourage you from following me. All right, make sure you do you. At the end of the day, make sure you do you. Eddie Cortez, yo, John, ¿qué pasa, brother? John, me, Cardinal, go Doge. We respect you, Cardinal. Ah, woo! I appreciate the love, Eddie. I appreciate the love. It's awesome, man. It's awesome. And you know, one more thing also, you know, if you're new here, if you're new to the channel here, I encourage you to smash that subscribe and smash that notification bell. So when I go live, you get these hits, okay? Let's see here. Aj Gindi, John, what's your speculation on Litecoin? Good buy right now, much appreciated. I don't know Litecoin, honestly. I don't track. I do not track Litecoin. I do not track Litecoin, so I do not know. I honestly couldn't tell you. But I can look into Litecoin though in a chart real quick and let you know from a chart perspective on what they're doing though. But as far as, you know, the fundamentals, I'm not too sure. I do believe I do believe Litecoin has a hard cap like Bitcoin though. I do believe there's a hard cap, but I am not 100% sure, so don't quote me on that, okay? Do not quote me on that. Let's see. Litecoin from a chart perspective is looking pretty bullish here. Looking very bullish. Litecoin is super duper bullish. Wow. Even though Litecoin is super duper bullish here, you know what I say to you? There is no shame in taking some gains here because you're in all-time highs and you're seeing all-time high after all-time high here. So you know what? I would look into taking some gains here. If it was me, I would look into taking some gains. But if I were to trade Litecoin, I would say buy the dip and sell the rip here, okay? So you best believe you will see a strong dip here, okay? When you see a strong dip flash crash on Litecoin, I would say, you know what? It would not be a bad idea to buy some and get a flash crash into a flash bounce. So if it was me, that is what I would be doing there. Just like Dogecoin, right? Just like Dogecoin, we had a flash, we had a all-time high after all-time high right here, right? And then we got a flash crash, and then from there, you can make around 25% off that trade in one day. So I'm pretty sure Litecoin will see a flash crash as well. You know what I'm saying? So you just gotta watch it like a hawk, okay? Watch like a hawk, and you can make that play. That is what I would do if I were to trade Litecoin. All right. But again, do your due diligence and watch it like a hawk. If you want to do a day trade, watch it like a hawk. If you are not gonna watch it like a hawk, I say to you, do not day trade. But as always, I encourage you not to day trade, okay? I always encourage you not to day trade, all right? So you would never hear me say, hey, go ahead and go day trade. Never, ever, all right? Because as you know, for most people, day trading is a losing proposition, okay? So just want to make sure you guys know that, all right? If you're new, usually day trading is a losing proposition, and you know what I mean? Just be careful. Just be careful. Superstar01, some of your mods are out of control and will cost you views and subscribers. I wasn't even talking to her. I don't know. What are you talking about? Nah, Crystal's good, man. Crystal's good. Guys, just make sure when you guys say stuff, just make sure you don't say anything mean or anything like, anything mean or disrespectful, or don't share your position or your finances. You know what I'm saying? The mods here do the mods do a great job. They try to keep the chat clean and safe. So just please try to understand. Please try to understand from their perspective. You know what I'm saying? I do get, sometimes they may filter you, but it's only because they are trying to do their best and keep the chat safe and clean here. So you know what? It is not that I'm siding with the mods here, because I see what the mods do, so I do appreciate what they do as well. So yeah, man. Your age is personal information here. You know what I'm saying? They are trying to keep you safe here, and you know what I mean. You shouldn't share your age. You shouldn't share your age. You shouldn't be sharing your positions or whatever is here, because it's a crazy world, man. It's a crazy world. So if you don't agree, that's okay if you don't agree, but that is pretty much what it is. See, so as I always say, trust no one, trust no one, you know what I'm saying? So, well, you know what? If you want to share it, by all means, right here, right? But the thing is, I say it's not safe. It isn't safe. You know what I'm saying? But if you want to, no one can stop you. No one can stop you. But the moderators will do their job and they will remove it because they want to keep things clean and most of all, keep things safe. All right. It isn't that I'm trying to be, you know, a nitpicker here or like, you know, be a hater here or pick on you. It's not about that. It's not about that. It is about keeping the trade safe and the chat safe here. You know what I'm saying? So I hope you can understand. I hope you can understand from their perspective and what they are trying to achieve here. I understand that, you know, it may not always align with your ideals and what and your thoughts, but you know what I'm saying? There's always different perspectives, and I'm just trying to give you the other perspective from the moderators, you know? And it's okay, and you know, I always say it's okay for us to not agree. It's okay for us to not agree. Nostalgic nostalgic Aberoth. LOL, some guy uploaded a YouTube vid. And the title is "Don't Buy Doge." Someone get Matt Wallace to roast him. LOL. That's funny. That's funny. Juan Martinez, thoughts on CyCoin, bro? CyCoin is a decentralized storage, I believe, right? I think last time the chart was looking pretty good, I believe. Let's see here. Okay, let's see here. We are breaking down below the trend line again. We are breaking down below the trend line. Let's see here. What do we see here? Christian Galdos. Hey, not sure if I should close some profits before I go to bed and then reinvest back into Doge tomorrow when I wake up, or if I should just hold. Any advice? Well, I've already told you guys and gals here that it's okay to take profits. If you're scared, if you're concerned, or whatever here, it's always okay to take some profits, all right? Because there will always be the next trade. There will always be the next trade. Two a.m. prediction. There were no predictions here, buddy. No predictions. Justin C. You never go broke taking profits. You never go broke taking profits. Exactly. You never go broke taking profits. Very true, very true. Okay. We are breaking down below the pink line. Okay. All right. The 50 is flatlining, and it looks like the bulls want to take control. I'm sorry. It looks like the bears want to take control. All right. We are now below the trend line, okay? This tells me we are just going to do some consolidation. That means boringness. Well, sorry that I say things to you. I'm sorry that I say things you don't like. But if you come to my channel, I give you the good, the bad, the ugly. It be what it be. You know what I mean? It be what it be. And also for any of the folks here who hate boring is good. Boring means we see consolidation, and that means we see a strong new foundation being built here. So you know what? I think boring is good. Boring is money printing. So don't ever forget that, all right? Boring means you have opportunities to buy, okay? Boring means you have opportunities to buy. When you see tons and tons of volatility, you get scared and it's hard to get in. So, you know, I always give you guys what I believe and what I believe in, you know what I'm saying? You know, and again, we may disagree, and that's okay. You're here for my opinion, I give it to you. So that is all there is to it. Agree, disagree, it doesn't matter because it is what it is. Exactly. Consolidation means new foundation, new floor. And you best believe you want a new third floor, a new fourth floor, a new fifth floor, all right? You do not want to go, you do not want to see the floors go downwards, all right? You want to see the floors go up, all right? Like a staircase, like a staircase. Like a staircase, okay? A staircase is a good thing, not a bad thing. Yes, exactly. At affordability for all. New floors with bare rugs on it. Yes, sir. I definitely want me a staircase. All right, and I definitely want me some bare rugs. So I hope Elmer Fudd and Mandingo tag team Yogi Bear and give me more bare rugs. No. We do not want Doge rugs. All right? Doge are our friends, okay? The Doge is our friend. We do not kill our friends, and most of all, we do not make our friends into rugs. If I get a Shiba Inu, I'm gonna name it Hey Jon. No. Name your Shiba Inu Doge. I have a very simple strategy. I have the easiest strategy in the world, okay? I have the easiest strategy in the world, and I will share it with you, okay? It's a very easy strategy. I only buy on red days, and I only buy dips on red days. That is all I do. But do I buy every single day? No, I do not buy every single day, all right? That is all I do. It is the easiest strategy in the world. And you may think, oh my God, what a terrible strategy. But I guarantee you, I can guarantee you, if you follow that strategy, you will make money guaranteed. That strategy is not sexy. That strategy is not fun. That strategy is not exciting. But that strategy is easy and anyone can do it, and you will make money guaranteed if you follow the recipe, okay? In order to follow the recipe, you need to have discipline. You need to have FOMO under control. You need to have the psychological six-pack, all right? But of course, the strategy is not sexy, the strategy is not fun, and the strategy is most of all very, very boring. But if you can do that, if you have the discipline, you do that and you will make money, guaranteed. However though, the market teach you to buy the green and sell the green, okay? My strategy is pretty much having a different perspective. Red is good and green is bad. But you know, I share with you guys my strategy. It's very transparent, it's very easy. And I say to you, man, I say to you, the easiest strategies are the best strategies. When someone gives you all these crazy things here, it just tells me you're full of it, man. It's full of it. Because the hallmark of any amazing strategy is in its fundamentals, it's very basic and very easy. That is how you have it. That is how you have an effective strategy. But you know, folks like to sell you some, you know, crazy stuff here with all these, like, you know, this and that, you know, all these kind of, like, you know, gimmicks and everything. Hey, you want to go for it, man. But it's all good. Tony Grubb, fist bump, fist bump. Yes, sir, yes, sir. Well, I do encourage you guys to buy coins and stocks here, right? I don't encourage you to do options or day trading because options is pretty much day trading to me. So I say stay away from options because that's leverage. I say, you know, don't go margin because when you go margin, you are borrowing money, and you know, you do not ever want a margin call. A margin call will be the worst day of your life. Ask me how I know. Ask me how I know. But you know what? You gotta learn the hard way. But some folks just have to learn the hard way. Some folks just have to learn the hard way, and that's okay. That's okay, man. That's okay. Everyone learns differently. You know, I give you guys a very, very easy Doge strategy. You nibble and you never bite, all right? All right, nibble and never bite. That means you bite small and you never bite big. Over time, you will get an amazing average. All right, so it is just that simple. But I know folks like to day trade and all this kind of fun stuff here. That's okay. That's okay. You can do that. Just be careful. Just be careful. Okay, fantastic, fantastic. All right, we are getting rejected off of that yellow temporary day trade resistance line there. We are getting rejected time after time there. So this tells me on a short term here, the bears are in control. Short term bears are in control. Okay. All right. Well, ladies and gentlemen, I am going to call the live stream. I'm going to call the live stream right now because your boy's a little tired, so I'm going to call it, okay? But don't worry, folks. I will be doing another live stream and more videos in the future, as always, okay? I always create Dogecoin content, so make sure you smash that subscribe and you smash that notification bell, okay? So when I drop these hits, you get notified and you get that information, baby. I will see you all on next one. Take care and stay safe. And don't forget, most importantly, do only good every day. All right? Take care and bye-bye.